Super. All right, so we're gonna go to the loaf pan first.
Okay.
And you're gonna put in there. You're gonna put 3 ounces of cocoa butter in there.
3 ounces, okay. Where my scale at? Okay. 3 ounces of cocoa powder.
Yes.
I've been using this cocoa powder for a while.
Eating them off camera. Yeah, what kind of cocoa powder you got?
He is eating. No, I wasn't. No, Tom is lying. I was.
Egypt, if you wanted the convert.
I wasn't eating them. This is I don't know. Oh, unsweetened. Is that?
Wait.
Was it supposed to be unsweetened?
It should be like Dutch process or like alkaline.
Dutch process, 100% cocoa.
It says that?
Dutch process is
no?
the important part.
Dutch process? I think it's a good one.
Oh, wait, let me
Okay, there's no steak
He was
dust.
definitely eating him off
Is it the thing we
camera.
used last
He was
time?
just caught in 240.
240.
Okay,
Alright,
that's fine. That's fine. We're just gonna use it. And
Wait.
yeah, it's
Why
Dutch
not
process.
the Denmark?
Right,
Wait, this
3
actually is the right?
Yeah, it's the right way. You're very surprised at yourself.
The Denmark process.
Dutch cocoa is good stuff.
Wait, how much did you say? 3 ounces, right?
It's 3 ounces.
This is the first time I'm weighing anything in ounces. Usually I'm doing in grams.
What about
Oh, 3 ounces is a
Belgian
lot.
process?
Yeah.
Yo,
it's
Suzanne.
very-
Oh, shit.
Cocoa powder is very light.
You're a big dealer now. No more grams.
Ounces only, dude.
It in tons.
What about the American process, which is just cheese? Where is Kara to comment on the Denmark process?
Yeah, where is Kara?
What?
We got that perfect 3 ounce.
So you're gonna add in 10.7 ounces of the tomato soup.
Oh, God.
What did you do?
Well,
Where
I
is
definitely-
Izzy to comment on
I
the
definitely-
I'm making the
Scandinavian
shopping list
process?
next time, okay?
What about the kebabs process, which is tamer?
kebabs. Listen, kebabs.
Demand.
We need to back up kebabs.
Alright, we're listening.
He drank the soup, Sag.
Yes.
Kebabs. We need some backup on this.
Alright, I'll
So-
be right back. I'm gonna go grab some broccoli and there
Broccoli.
better be 10.7 ounces of tomato soup when I get back.
Okay, everybody start tossing the
You
tomatoes.
can't blame him.
Everybody start tossing the tomatoes before she gets back. Quick, everybody start. Everybody start tossing the tomato. Start tossing. Everybody. Toss them. Toss them, quick.